Hi everyone, this is Lucy with WTI. Sad looking nails? Get a quick fix gel manicure.
I love that the product has 3 steps, and after applying the first coat, you dip the nail, and here it also came with a nice brush with the kit that you can remove the excess powder with. I don't know about you guys, but the fact that it's powder is my favorite part of this manicure. I don't have to worry about the nail polish dripping. It doesn't go over my cuticle or the sides of my nail. It looks like a very clean and professional gel manicure. Look at that. That gloss is my favorite part. It just looks like you went to the nail salon. I love that it came with 20 different color options, so you never run out of ideas of how to do your personal gel manicure. And here, the seasons change, so I love that I had the neutral option where I can go from light to dark.
This easy quick fix gel manicure is why I love this product, and that's my point of view.